You will be amazed by this 2019 Hyundai Tucson. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 60,000 miles on the odometer. Give yourself the quality and comfort you deserve with this refined Hyundai Tucson. Meticulously constructed, smooth riding, and equipped with standard driver assist safety features, this compact crossover has what you need to get the most out of every drive. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: pre-collision system, lane departure warning, all-wheel drive, keyless entry, backup camera, satellite radio, lane keeping assist, remote engine start, keyless start, heated mirrors. Quality blends beautifully with convenience in this remarkably well-designed Tucson. See for yourself when you take it out for a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.